What is up, guys? We're gonna go homestead like a boss. Finally gonna do it. I had done those seeds when I bought the the black oil sunflower seeds to feed the birds. I bought a huge bag. Supposedly it's supposed to be good for the goats. Helps them with, listen to them chickens, helps them when you eat the seeds, helps them naturally to not get worms for the goats. So that was the idea behind it. Plus the sunflowers are cool. So I had planted a bunch in a tray to see how it turned out. Now I'm finally gonna go plant them. I have a 500-foot long driveway with a cow fence between me and the neighbor's pasture with these cows. I was gonna plant one by one by one there. I bought this tulip tool because I'm going through nice green grass, push it down in there, and hopefully I'll be able to make some pretty little sunflowers. Homesteading, baby, making things pretty. Now, let me show you. All right, so these were it. This is the black oil sunflower seeds. Holy cow, they got wet. No wonder they're turning yellow. I need to get those puppies in the ground. They've been growing for a while now, but it worked. This thing worked. That tray that I bought worked. So we're gonna go get them in the ground. There was 72. I'm sure there won't be exactly 72. I'll probably just plant seeds after that and see what happens. See how cool our driveway looks. Not to complain, but I got a long walk. I should have grabbed my quad, my four-wheeler. Nice long walk, but it is such a beautiful day today. It's finally not raining over here in East Tennessee. Has it been raining for you guys? I know Houston down there got hit with them straight line winds, but we've just been getting saturated with rain. There's my long walk. I'm halfway there. I need to get up to that driveway and do it down the driveway. We'll see how many we can get and how far apart. Maybe I should Google it. Okay, so here's the end of the driveway, 500 feet down. I'm gonna plant them here just a little off the fence line. So when you come up the road, you get to see beautiful flowers. I'm gonna go grab my mower. So I gotta walk all the way back down and run the mower real quick one more time. And I'll put them far enough that I can still mow, but they're gonna be about 5 foot, so they should grow about the height of the fence with them big old flowers on it, which the way I understand it, sunflowers direct with the sun like a solar panel tracking. So since the sun comes up over there, sets over there, we should have some cool looking sunflowers during the morning when I'm coming driving home down the road. I'll be able to see the cool sunflowers, make it look fun. Because my wife wants to turn our entire front yard into a tulip field. That'll be coming. Woohoo! Got my zero turn out, baby. Gonna go down here and get some mowing on. You know what's cool? It's not cool. Got my shorts on, my camo shorts. And my short socks and my work boots. You can laugh now and make fun, but I don't care. Ain't no shame in this baby's game. I'm gonna show you a lazy way to leaf blow. You see all that grass that I got from cutting down the driveway? Yeah, I'm gonna use the mower to blow it off. Here we go. Probably gonna start about right here. All right, there we go. Not exactly a straight line. Guess I could have made a straighter line, but I got only about 70 more to go and then plant seeds after that. Okay, this is a bad idea. Or I'm old. And it's a hot, muggy day. We had all that rain and sunny, but it's muggy out here. I'm sweating from just pounding down and dig these little holes, man. I think I only did like 40 of them. I'm like sweating for real. It must be summertime. I swear that was dumb luck. I had stopped here and didn't dig this one, and I said, all right, I'm gonna go throw some in the ground. And sure as could be, these two had broken spouts on the top, but my very last one, because look, out of 72, I had those that did not ever sprout anything. The rest of them did, but I stopped at the exact one, and I wasn't even keeping count. See, those two didn't have spouts, and then there's some little ones, but ultimately, got them bigger ones in the ground. So imagine that when it grows up as high as the fence, it has big, beautiful sunflowers on it. That should look pretty cool. Problem is they're still all the way down, and I don't have enough for that. So I got to debate if I'm gonna go get seeds or what I'm gonna do. See what the wife thinks. What do you guys think? Drop your comments. Should I try to figure out a way to plant seeds all the way freaking down the driveway?